Onion. Onion is a vegetable. It grows underground as a bulb. It has many layers. Onions can be red, white, or yellow. It gives a strong smell and taste. Cutting onions can make eyes water. Using in cooking for flavor can be eaten raw or cooked. Rich in vitamins and minerals. Good for health and digestion. Mushroom. Mushroom is a type of fungus. It grows in damp and dark places. Some mushrooms are edible. Some mushrooms are poisonous. It has left cap and stem. Comes in many shapes and sizes, rich in vitamins and minerals. Low in calories, good for health. Used in soaps, soups, pizzas, and salads. Grows in naturally and also on farms. Cabbage. Cabbage is a leafy vegetable. It grows in a round ball-like shape. Leaves are green or purple, eaten raw or cooked. Used in salads, soups, and curries. Rich in vitamin C and fiber, helps in digestion, low in calories, grows in cool climates, good for overall health. Pumpkin. Pumpkin is a big round vegetable. It is usually orange in color. It grows on a vine. Inside it has many seeds used in soups, peas, and curries. Rich in vitamins and fiber, low in calories, good for health. Can be eaten cooked or roasted. Its seeds are also edible. Grows well in warm climates. Tomato. Tomato is a fruit but used as a vegetable. It has red in color when ripe. Grows on small green plants. Soft and juicy inside. Contains many small seeds. Used in salads, sauces, and soups. Rich in vitamin C and A. Good for skin and health, can be eaten raw or cooked, grows well in warm climates. Garlic. Garlic is a vegetable and spice. It grows underground like a bulb. The bulb has many small clubs. Has a strong smell and taste. Used in cooking for flavor, can be eaten raw or cooked. Rich in vitamins and minerals, good for heart and health. Helps fight colds and infections. Grows well in cool. Lady's finger. Lady's finger is a green vegetable. It is long and slender in shape, also called okra and or bindi. Grows on small green plants, has tiny white seeds inside, used in curries and fried dishes. Rich in vitamins and fiber, help in digestion, good for health and low in calories. Grows well in warm ginger. Ginger is a root vegetable. It grows underground, light brown outside, yellow inside. Has strong spicy taste. Used in cooking and tea. Can be eaten fresh or dried. Helps in digestion. Good for cough and cold. Rich in vitamins and minerals. Grows well in warm climates. Radish. Radish is a root vegetable. It grows underground, usually white, red, or pink in color, round or long in shape. Has a sharp, spicy taste. Eaten raw in salads. Can also be cooked in dishes rich in vitamins and fiber, good for the digestion and health. Grows quickly in cool weather. Peas are small green seeds. They grow inside green pods. Can be eaten raw or cooked. Used in rice, soaps, and curries. Sweet in taste, rich in protein and vitamins. Good for health and energy. Low in calories, high in fiber. Grows in cool weather. Can be stored, frozen, or dried. Thank you.